Okay, next one up is this gorgeous Suzuki Hyabusa. Very, very tidy one, I must say. Gentleman wants to keep it looking that way, so we're going to do one of our full works packages on this, which will include a whole dose of signature 4K ceramic. I will do some machine polishing. We'll get it washed first, get it all debugged, decontaminated, and then we'll get it in the studio where I will do a 2-stage machine polish on all this gorgeous bodywork, remove all these bugs, and then we're going to treat it with the signature 4K ceramic. So we're going to airbrush it on every nook and cranny, all behind your fairing, all your forks, switch gears, your engine, your swing arm, all up underneath, including those wheels. And then I'll apply it by hand. We're going to use the signature quartz on all this bodywork, making sure to keep that black looking its finest for years to come. That is a self-healing ceramic, so should help with any spider webs or minor scratches in the future. But let's get it washed first. Like I said, we'll get it in the studio and then we'll crack on with some serious polishing. Got a couple of stickers he wants removed. We'll get that one off of there and get that one off of there, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. What a stunning bit of kit. Okay, now fully washed, debugged, and in the studio. Just doing a bit of inspection on the paint where it's got a few marks here and there, still some ingrained bugs. I did soak that pretty good. So we're gonna do some machine polishing, get all those bugs off, get a nice bit of depth back to this paintwork before we apply any ceramic. These lovely looking bike, this good old black shows every mark. Tail section's not bad. Just a few of those panels up front need some attending to. Yeah, see, it's got loads of spider webs on that. Good old black shows every single mark. Anyways, let's crack on with a bit of polishing. See if we can remove, got quite a bit of spider webs in there. Anyway, let's crack on with some polishing. Don't know what's gone on there. So it's been rubbing up against something. Just doing a little 50-50. See all those spider webs? Ah, much better. Nice bit of glitter. Spider webs. Ah, let's do another run on that, and then we'll continue on with some more panels. Much better. Look at that. It's like a mirror, and I haven't even put any ceramic on it yet. Much better. Oh, much better. Look, got rid of all those spider webs. Look at the gloss on that, the glitter. Like I said, I haven't even put any ceramic on it yet. Okay, she is now all polished. 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. Look at that freaking gloss on that. I just hand polished those wheels, all the windscreen, all those ingrained bugs, everything has been polished out. She is gleaming. I managed to remove that mark on the side there. Now time to lay down some special sauce. So we're going to use the Distinction HD on all the lower half. I will airbrush it onto the wheels, all up underneath, all the motor, anything down below. We're going to apply the signature quartz to all the painted bodywork. But let's get this applied. We use a little airbrush gun, and we will, like I said, mist it onto all the lower half. Okay, the lower half has now been covered. Like I said, we use the Distinction HD, which is a graphene infused ceramic. So all your wheels, all up underneath your front there, all the frame, swing arm, all up underneath here has been coated. Now time to do the body work. We're going to use the Signature Quartz. That is a self-healing ceramic. So everything's been prepped. I've wiped it all down with an alcohol mixture, making sure to remove any oils from the waxes. Now time to lay this down. We'll let that cure for a minute. We'll buff it off and she is done. There you go. This stunning Suzuki Hyabusa has now been fully trotted. This had one of our full works packages. Oh my God, look at that freaking gloss on that. I said this had one of our full works packages, 2-stage machine polish. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. The gloss is dripping off of it. Thanks to the Signature 4K ceramic, we've airbrushed all the lower half, applied it by hand to the top half. We use the Signature Quartz on all the bodywork. That is a self-healing ceramic. Look at it. It is like a mirror. Absolutely gleaming. This is the best time to get your bike done when it's nearly new. Get it properly protected for the years ahead. Give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Keep your investment looking its finest for years to come. This is a 5-year protection. This isn't just a 30-day protection we're talking about. This is 5 years. You properly clean this, use the right products, this ceramic will last for years to come. Look at those wheels. What a stunning bit of kit. Give us a call, 07966 249 963. Thank you, Signature 4K, knocking it out of the park once again.